Learn Gujarati feelings fast. Happy to, in love with.
Khush.
And.
Premama.
Welcome to the Feelings Circus. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati emotions without boring flashcard pain. Think of this as language learning with drama, snacks, and at least one emotionally unstable banana. Welcome, brave learner. Today you will meet 8 useful feelings in Gujarati. First comes
Khush.
which means happy, then
Udas.
sad, then the steam coming out of the ears word
Gusse.
angry. We also have
Chintit.
anxious and
Ghabrayelu.
nervous. After that, you can finally relax with
Aramdayak.
relaxed, then stand tall with
Garvit.
proud. And yes, because language books love chaos, we end with
Premama.
in love. Ready? Good. Your brain has brought a notebook. Even if you did not. Meet the mood monsters. Let's make the words stick by turning them into a tiny comedy show. If the show wins an award, please look.
Garvit.
At the park, a cat gets extra snacks and instantly feels
Khush.
happy cat, dangerous power. Then the snacks are gone. The cat becomes
Udas.
sad cat. Tiny violin starts playing. A dog steals the last snack. Now the cat is
Gusse.
angry cat. The dog suddenly remembers an important appointment somewhere else. The cat hears there might be a bath later. It becomes
Chintit.
anxious cat. Understandable. Then the cat is asked to sing on stage in front of pigeons. It feels
Ghabrayelu.
nervous cat. The pigeons look judgmental. But after the show is cancelled, the cat lies in the sun and becomes
Aramdayak.
relaxed cat. Professional level. Then the cat wins first prize for best tail flick. Now it feels
Garvit.
proud cat. The acceptance speech is too long. Finally, the cat sees another cat across the garden. Slow music. Wind machine. Dramatic blink. It is
Premama.
in love with a cat who also enjoys snacks. A perfect ending. Say it like you mean it. Now you repeat like a star. Go on, give these words your best movie trailer voice. I feel happy today. In Gujarati, I feel
Khush.
today. She feels sad today. In Gujarati, she feels
Udas.
today. He looks angry. In Gujarati, he looks
Gusse.
she feels anxious before the exam. In Gujarati, she feels
Chintit.
before the exam. I feel nervous before speaking. In Gujarati, I feel
Ghabrayelu.
before speaking. After work, I feel relaxed. In Gujarati, after work, I feel
Aramdayak.
she feels proud of her work. In Gujarati, she feels
Garvit.
of her work. He is in love. In Gujarati, he is
Premama.
a very normal day, absolutely not weird. Here comes a mini story. Listen for all 8 feeling words and enjoy a completely realistic sequence of events. By realistic, I mean not at all. Ravi woke up and saw it was Sunday, so he felt
Khush.
Then he remembered he had promised to clean his room, and he became slightly
Udas.
While cleaning, he found his favorite shirt ruined by a mystery stain that looked suspiciously like mango pickle, and now he was
Gusse.
A message arrived saying, "We need to talk." Ravi immediately became
Chintit.
Then he remembered he also had to speak at a family event, so he felt
Ghabrayelu.
Luckily, his grandmother handed him tea, told him to sit down, and within minutes he felt
Aramdayak.
At the event, Ravi gave a short speech, everyone clapped, and he stood there feeling
Garvit.
Then he looked across the room, saw someone smiling at him, forgot every intelligent word he had ever known, and realized he was probably
Premama.
Language lesson complete. Emotional damage also complete. Tiny dialogues, big drama. Let's practice with short dialogues. You listen, imagine the scene, and maybe award an imaginary trophy for best overacting. A. How do you feel? B. I feel.
खुश.
A. Why are you so quiet? B. I feel.
उदास.
A. Why is he shouting at a printer? B. Because he is.
गुस्से.
A. Why are you checking your phone every 3 seconds? B. I feel.
चिंतित.
A. Why are your hands shaking before the speech? B. I feel.
घबराएलू.
A. How do you feel after yoga and tea? B. I feel.
आरामदायक.
A. You finished the marathon? B. Yes, I feel.
गर्वित.
A. Why are you smiling at your phone like that? B. I am.
प्रेममा.
Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a fast quiz. If you get one wrong, do not be.
चिंतित.
If you get them all right, please become magnificently.
गर्वित.
What is the Gujarati word for happy?
खुश.
What is the Gujarati word for sad?
उदास.
What is the Gujarati word for angry?
गुस्से.
What is the Gujarati word for anxious?
चिंतित.
What is the Gujarati word for nervous?
घबराएलू.
What is the Gujarati word for relaxed?
आरामदायक.
What is the Gujarati word for proud?
गर्वित.
What is the Gujarati word for in love?
प्रेममा.
Memory tricks you will secretly love. Let's make the words easier to remember. These are silly on purpose, because your brain enjoys nonsense more than it admits. 4.
खुश.
Imagine a huge smile popping out of a cushion. Cushion, kush, happy. 4.
उदास.
Picture a rainy window and one lonely snack. Very sad, very.
उदास.
4.
गुस्से.
Hear someone fuss and grumble. Fuss, Gus, angry. 4.
चिंतित.
Imagine your chin getting tight before bad news. Chin tight.
चिंतित.
4.
घबराएलू.
Imagine grabbing air before going on stage. Gabra, nervous flutter. 4.
आरामदायक.
Notice the sound of aram, rest. This is your relaxed word. 4.
गर्वित.
Imagine holding a medal and standing tall. Proud equals.
गर्वित.
4.
प्रेममा.
Remember prem means love. If you are inside love, you are.
प्रेममा.
Your final mood challenge. Last round. I say the situation, you say the Gujarati feeling. Yes, out loud. Your walls can handle it. You get wonderful news. You feel.
खुश.
You lose your favorite pen and it was a really good pen. You feel.
उदास.
Someone eats your fries without asking. You feel.
गुस्से.
You are waiting for important results. You feel.
चिंतित.
You must speak in front of a crowd. You feel.
घबराएलू.
You sit with tea under a fan after a long day. You feel.
आरामदायक.
You finish something difficult and do it well. You feel.
गर्वित.
You see that special person and suddenly forget how language works. You are.
प्रेममा.
Goodbye, you emotional genius. You did it. You survived the feelings circus and learned real Gujarati words at the same time. Today you practiced.
खुश. उदास. गुस्से. चिंतित. घबराएलू. आरामदायक. गर्वित.
And.
प्रेममा.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, reuse the words in tiny sentences, and come back tomorrow so these feelings stay in your memory and not just in the dramatic cat episode. You are doing great. Keep going.